Solar Flares by Will Bond. Here we have the sun, and here is the core, the radiative core, and the convection core, as you can see right in here. And I am going to teach you about the flare, which is right over here. So when a solar flare erupts, as you can see over here, there are three stages to it. There is the precursor stage, which is where the energy is released or triggered. Then there's the second stage, called the impulsive stage, where electrons and protons are accelerated to energies faster than 1 MeV. For those of you who do not know what a MeV is, this is an abbreviation for mega electron volt. This is a measure of energy. The third stage is the decay stage, which is the buildup of decay. These three stages can take as long as a few seconds or as long as an hour to build up and erupt. So when the solar flare erupts, it has radiation with it. And this radiation travels to Earth, and then it can damage satellites, radios. It can't exactly damage the radio, but it can interfere with the radio. And satellite microchips can be damaged, and that is not great because it can interfere with many things that we need to know about our planet. Okay, so here we just have the sun, the basic sun, what it looks like without no flares, and this is just to give you a basic idea of what the sun looked like without a flare. Here we have the sun with a flare, as you can see right here. Huge, big, rapid, bright, and it's a very, very fast process, or it could be a very, very slow process. An hour might not seem that long, but that can fly by in the solar system. So, as you can see, here's the flare, and to me, it almost looks like an arc. And if you just don't look at the sun directly with your eyes, because I'm not sure about this, but if the solar flare erupts and you're looking at it, it can damage your eyes, or just looking at the sun, the radiation damages your eyes, so just remember never to look directly into the sun. Here we have a picture of a solar flare from a different angle, probably taken with a telescope or a very high zoom camera. As you can see right here, it is very bright and fast and rapid. And so basically there's been an 11-year cycle going on for the sun right now with solar flares, and scientists have been saying that the solar flares are starting to get 4 times the size of Earth, and if we were to get a direct hit from one of these solar flares, the damage could sustain $2 trillion in the first year of the hit for the U.S. alone. And so the damage can be very high, and it's very dangerous. So just be aware of that. And it is said that it could take us 4 to 10 years to recover. So this is the end of my show, and I hope this helped you with learning a little bit about solar flares. Thank you.